Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lady Ives here. If you're new, please subscribe, and if you're returning, welcome back. And today I'm going on a Skyrail here in Kuranda, and going back to Cairns, it will take about 7.5 kilometers or 4.6 miles cableway with 4 stations. So it's in its 3 sections, which take about 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, and followed by 12 minutes. And there are 2 very interesting and quite different stops along the way. So I'm going to spend around 15 minutes at each stop, and the last stop will be the Smithfield station. First stop is Barron Falls, where I will be enjoying a walk through a lovely path to the gorge. The next stop will be at the Red Peak station. It is at 1,800 feet or 550 meters. That's 550 meters, and only accessible via the cableway. So I will be descending to the rainforest floor and have the opportunity to view a centuries-old kauri pine. So imagine that, 1,800 feet, that is so high. And from time to time, the cableway may slow down or stop. That means that a person or persons with limited mobility is either entering or leaving the gondola. So there is no cause for alarm at all. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap or click the bell so that you will be notified each time I upload something new. Here we go. I'm a bit scared. Oh my. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my, oh my. I just arrived at Barron Falls Lookouts, and yeah, I'm going to spend at least 15 minutes around here to have a better view of Barron Falls. I can't get enough just looking at it, I can't get enough of waterfalls. So I truly enjoy this trip. And also please watch the whole video, because there are some informative stuff, especially towards the end. So don't miss that. You might find it useful. As you can see, it's very peaceful here, and it's beautiful, and this is the best Barron Falls lookouts compared to the previous lookouts where it was so crowded and noisy. So here I am. It's just me and the other lady and a handful of people spreading around this area. It says here, rainforests play a vital role in the ongoing existence of human beings. They help to clean the air we breathe by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing the oxygen that we inhale. So let's help each other out, protect the rainforests and our Mother Earth. I am now inside the Rainforest Interpretation Centre, and here you will understand how it all began.
Many plants and animals adapted to this new environment. With the changing climate, the the tropical rainforests retreated to wetter regions, taking with them the remnants of gondola. The arrival of humankind over 40,000 years ago heralded further change. Fire became a real threat as Aboriginal people cleared the way for hunting. Not thousands, but many millions of years. Living links to the Earth's ancient past. Over tens of millions of years, as the plates of the Earth's crust shifted, gondwana broke the frames. Australia, with its cargo of plants and animals, began to move north. Like a proverbial harp, it carried a storehouse of biological information, a gene pool that was to remain isolated from other continents for over 30 million years. 200 years that saw the most dramatic rate of change. In this brief period, over half of Australia's remaining rainforests were destroyed.
So it takes about 15 minutes Skyrail ride from Barron Falls to Red Peak. So we're heading to Red Peak now. Get that down there. Where is it? Oh, see it. Okay. Look at that. Here's the Barron Falls. This is such an amazing experience. So Kuranda is located in a beautiful tropical far north Queensland. So this is part of Cairns. You should try it sometimes. If you happen to visit Cairns, you shouldn't skip getting here. Here we go! Ah! So from Red Peak Station is at 1,800 feet or 500 meters. Let me double check. 550 meters. So it's very high. Only Skyrail can do that. Only by Skyrail you are able to. I don't like that every time. But I'm okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Yes. I'm loving it so far. I'm so loving since the start of my journey this morning by the scenic rail. It was so amazing. It was incredible. I was already very happy until now. So ever since this morning. So this trip has been amazing. So I'm so happy. It's all worth it. Everything is all worth it. So, oh my gosh, I'm so high. And the cable car is stopping. yeah, it slows down from time to time, or it goes to a complete stop. But no, don't panic, don't panic. Whew. Oh, oh my god. Here we go again. Once you get to Cairns, you've got access to the Great Barrier Reef and also Kuranda and so many other places that you would like to visit. Ooh, I'm going even higher. I'll show you. Yeah. I can see the Skyrail is ascending, you guys. So it's really, really high. Let me turn the camera here. Yeah. Look at that. So, oh, it's even higher. Higher, higher, higher. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, here we go again. I don't like this part. Oh! Stop is red pink. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I don't like this part. Oh yeah. Smithfield. It takes about 2.7 kilometers, and I'm enjoying the view, guys. It's so breathtaking. I'm enjoying it. Oh my god, this is beyond my imagination. It's such a wonderful surprise. Oh, there's a butterfly. Oh my god, there's a butterfly. Where is it now? Oh, over there. Oh, wow. What kind of butterfly are those? I thought butterfly cannot fly that high. Anyway, that was wonderful. And look at those islands. Ooh, even more breathtaking from here. To the sound and the shaking vibration sound. It's kind of scary, but I'm fine. I'm not scared of heights at all. So if you're afraid of heights, I think it's best that you should not be alone traveling by Skyrail, because it's very high, but it's very safe. I noticed that there's no handrail to hold on to. There's nothing. There's really I think this is glass. Ooh, yep, that's glass. Ah, there you go. But I wouldn't hold my hand there. I prefer like something that is inside. I guess they maybe the seat. Yeah, I can actually hold on to the seat here. There's yeah, you can hold on to that one there. Yeah, there you go. Woo. This is incredible. I would do it again. I would definitely do this again. I would definitely to the hotel. So I still have time to do other things. Woohoo! Thank you so much! Wonderful, we're almost there. Here we go.
His largest collection of armoured vehicles, about 80 exhibits in there. They've also got a shooting range.
Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless and take care. Bye.